Earlier today, we saw Pete Alonso hit a monster shot, and the guy that I'm standing with right now, the Mets are expecting more of the same when he hits the big leagues. This is the Mets' first-round draft pick from this year, Brett Baty, contract signed. You were out here today. I know it was just BP, but you were also hitting similar moonshots out there in batting practice. What was today like for you getting this experience?
Yeah, no, it was an amazing experience, and just to be able to get out here, sign my contract, take BP on the field, hit with the guys, meet all the guys, it was just an amazing experience, and I'm so happy right now.
Any one conversation stand out with any of the guys or coaches?
Yeah, I mean, Pete Alonso was pretty relatable. We got to talk a little bit about minor league journeys and stuff like that, and he said just like, kind of be your own person, stay who you are, and just have fun while you're doing it.
You know, I'm always fascinated with guys like you who, you know, you're going to be a first-round pick. You were in Secaucus, you were waiting. But the moment that your name gets announced, is there a different feeling? Is it different than the expectation?
Yeah, no, I mean, it was an amazing, it exceeded all expectations, and it was just an amazing feeling. And to have my family there in Secaucus with me was just amazing, because they've been my support staff all through this whole time, and I just couldn't be more happy.
What is the scouting report for Mets fans who want to know a little about you?
I'm a hitter with power. I like to stay up the middle, drive the ball the other way, and get it over the fence a little bit. So,
Brett, congratulations. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us, and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.